Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9017P. 38,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Cherokee seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large E3 with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has the 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9017P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.